Honey, can you please turn on to LPS City News? Okay, Mom. And now to Tom Birkin for the weather. Thank you, Janet. Today's weather, well, it's not so good here in LPS City. It says that there's going to be a severe thunderstorm complete with heavy rain, thunder, and lightning. And it will start at about 6:03 p.m. tonight. But tomorrow, it'll be cloudy and possibly a little sunny. And tonight, while the storm is happening, it'll be 63 degrees. And tomorrow, it'll be 63, and then if it gets a little sunny, it'll be about 67. It'll be about 73 degrees. Back to you, Jen. Thank you. Did you hear that, kids? There's going to be a severe thunderstorm. Oh no, Mommy. Don't worry. I'm sure we won't get hit hard. Oh no, the storm's starting. Guys, if we get a hard lightning bolt and the power goes out, please, Squirrel, get the flashlights. Okay. Okay, Mom, I got the flashlights. Thank you, honey. Mommy, I'm scared. It's okay, Sandy. It'll be fine. Your mom and big sister are here. I think I saw the lights flickering. Me too. I didn't see it. I was too busy getting scared. Oh, there it is again. Yeah. Oh no, the lights went out. Everyone, good thing we're still on the air. If your lights went out, make sure you got the emergency flashlights and get to the lowest level of your home. But if you didn't lose power yet, still get to the lowest level of your homes, please. Like a basement or cellar. We better get to the basement. Okay, here we go. We're safe in the cellar. Wow, that's a big storm. Yeah. Do you think we'll be able to move to a hotel? Nonsense, honey. We don't have enough money, and besides, I'm sure the storm will soon will go away in a couple of hours. Oh, there's the thunder again. It's gonna be okay. A couple of hours later. Huh? Good thing we have a TV down here. Quick! Attention, everyone. The storm has accelerated into just light rain. You can go back up. But if this storm continues, we will notify you. Okay. Come on, kids. Okay. Hey, I don't hear anything. I think it stopped. Yeah, but just to be sure, let's watch the news. A couple of minutes later, attention everyone, the rain is over and the storm is done, but it is still cloudy. Oh, wait. We see the sun. We see the sun coming out. Everyone, you can either stay inside of your homes or you can go outside. The storm is over. Yay! Woo! Well, let's listen to the news. Let's go outside!